This is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research here at FXPRIMUS, bringing you today's calendar for Thursday, December 17th. Obviously, today's indicators will take a little bit of a back seat to the Fed's rate hike overnight. My take on that, briefly, is that they only dropped their rate forecast a bit. They took half a rate hike out of 2016 and nothing out of the following years. So, the committee's forecasts remain far above where the market is. Of course, it's also true that the committees proved overly hawkish and had to gradually reduce their forecast over time, but still, they're predicting 2 more rate hikes in both 2016 and 2017 than the market is. Even if they split the difference, that still means the market will have to revise up its forecast for rates substantially. It's that upward revision in the market expectations that I think is likely to support the dollar going forward, in my humble opinion. Now, on to today. The day starts out with the Nordea Bank rate announcement. Economists look for the Nordea Bank to hold rates steady, although a few are looking for a further cut. Actually, the announcement's probably going to be out by the time you're watching this, though, so I won't say more about it. Those who are interested in the background to the Norwegian krone should watch my market analysis video for today, or read today's comment on the website in which I discuss the Nordea Bank's dilemma in more detail. Also at 900 GMT, the IFO announces its monthly survey for Germany. The current business climate is expected to be unchanged from November, with the expectations indicator forecast to improve slightly. That would be a vote of confidence in ECB policy and could cause the euro to firm. At 9:30 GMT, we get UK retail sales for November. Retail sales is the foremost indicator of consumer spending, which accounts for the majority of overall economic activity. So any deviation from the market forecast of plus 0.5% month-on-month, a reversal from minus 0.9% month-on-month in October, would probably have an immediate impact on the pound. The U.S. indicators start at 13:30 GMT with the Philly Fed Manufacturing Index for December. Much like the New York Empire State Manufacturing Index earlier in the week, this is a widely watched piece of data, although it might not necessarily be representative of the country as a whole. It's expected to fall a little bit to 1 from 1.9. A reading above 0 indicates improving conditions. And over the course of the day, we have the EU summit. This is particularly big for Britain. UK Prime Minister Cameron hopes to bring up his demands for renegotiating Britain's membership in the EU at this 2-day meeting, rather than at the next one in February. If agreed, the document would form the basis for Cameron's in-out referendum, which has to be held by the end of 2017, but could take place as early as next summer. Finally, overnight at 0300 GMT, the Bank of Japan monetary policy meeting finishes and BOJ Governor Kuroda holds a press conference. I think the BOJ is taking a wait-and-see attitude as they watch their preferred measure in inflation gradually creep higher. They're therefore likely to maintain their current policy at Friday's meeting, which should mean little impact on the yen. This is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research at FXPRIMUS. Get more market insights on our education pages and turn your trading ideas into action with FXPRIMUS, the safest place to trade.